Hey, so good Saturday morning. Today's task is to replace my head sail, which you can see is old, and I actually had to staple it together because it was falling apart. So these staples are not the way you deal with the sail, but it was a temporary measure. So I stapled it together, the UV covering, and now it's becoming really bad. So I bought another sail on eBay. I'm not sure it's the complete correct length. It may be a little short, so I need to fashion a measure to get the bottom of the sail here. Okay, so we'll see. Stand by. Okay, so the first thing I want to do before I bring down the sail is tighten up the backstay. Every time I leave the boat, I loosen up the backstay to relieve pressure, so I'm going to tighten it up. And I find when the backstay is tightened, which means the lines are tight up, it's easier to furl up the head sail. So I'm going to tighten everything up. Before I can do that, I need to loosen up my sheets. All right, already did it over there. So stand by. I'm going to come over here and do it. Always tough with one hand. All right, that should be good enough. All right, good to go. I'll just take care of this. This is only temporary. I'm not sailing today, so I'll just tidy this up like that for now. All right. Okay. Head stay. Back sheet is the backstay is tightened, so my forestay should be a little more taut up front. Okay. Stand by. Okay. Okay. So now that everything is tight, I'm going to unfurl the head sail and get it all out, and then I'll lower the halyard. Okay, so stand by for that. There's no wind, so what I need to do is loosen up the furler here. So that's loose. It's hard with one hand here, so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so I have this one here. I want this to stay taut while I'm unfurling here, so multiple things here. So as you can see, I'm unfurling here. Getting caught up in my shrouds here. Hold on. Okay, it's fully undone. Now I need to bring it down with the halyard. Okay, stand by. Okay, so the head sail is connected here, and so I need to loosen this up to disconnect at the bottom. Pretty straightforward. Okay, good. So now I can get the sail out. Okay, stand by. Okay, so I need to release the headsail halyard, which is here. My lazy jack. Got to get all that stuff out of the way. Okay. So, need to make sure all this line here isn't jumbled up. So the headsail comes down neatly here. So stand by. Okay, so my headsail lines are untangled, and I'm going to release it here from the winch. And I believe if I just start pulling it down, it'll start coming down. Okay, so I'm going to go to the front. Start. There you go. Came down by itself. All right, stand by. Okay, so you see my sail is down. It just came down, and I have it halyard connected here, and I need to loosen up this tool here. Hold on, I need to learn the terminology here, so help me out. So I'm going to loosen this up here, pull the sail out, then I just need to insert the new sail. Stand by. Okay, so as you can see here, it's undone. I can just pull the sail out. So now all we have are the hank-ons, which I need to undo, and I'm actually going to do those from the dock. Okay, so basically I just need to pull these out and undo the hanks one at a time. Sail will come off. Okay, pretty straightforward. Stand by. Okay, so as you can see, all the hanks are off. Now I just need to get this sail off, keep it from falling in the water, and I'll fold it up later. Get that out of the way very ungracefully there. Okay, so the old sail is off. So if you look at my furling system, it's a old school system here. There's no tube, okay? I just furl up around the forestay with this tool here, contraption here. I've never seen this. No one's ever been able to tell me the manufacturer. I can't see any writing on it, but that's what I have, and so far it's worked. So stand by for me to insert the new sail into the furler. Okay, so I have my replacement sail getting ready. I'm hanking them on one at a time, as you can see here. Pretty easy. So one thing I did not do is connect the lower. I'm going to wait because I'm going to furl it up first to see if it's the right length and then adjust from there. Okay, so that's one thing I'm not doing yet. Okay, so stand by. Okay, I have hanked on all the hanks. Last step will be to insert here and secure, and then I'll run it back up. Okay, closer view of what I'm working with here. My furler, as you can see, it just goes around the headstay, and there's no nomenclature or names anywhere. If anyone knows what this is, please let me know. So stand by. Okay, so the sail is up. I've attached it temporarily to one of the lines, the sheets, and now I just need to connect the bottom. I'll go down on the dock to do that. Okay, but so far so good. Okay, all done. I've completed the connection at the bottom with the sail. I made sort of a survivor noose here at the bottom to connect the bottom of the sail to my furler, and I've assembled everything there, tested it, and it seems pretty good. So we'll get it out and see how it works. Thank you.